Greenladder's 4-inch MERV-15 filters not only enhance air quality, but also save you money. GLT M15 filters offer very low initial resistance and high grease loading capacity, making them cost-effective replacement filters for your commercial kitchen. With an initial resistance of just 0.23 and a recommended final resistance of 1.5, GLT M15 filters ensure optimal airflow. This translates to improved system longevity and performance thanks to the UL 900 media pack. The all-metal construction and lightweight design of MERV-15 filters guarantee durability and ease of installation. These features contribute to their efficiency, making them a reliable choice for maintaining system performance. Available in standard sizes of 16 by 20 by 4 inches and 20 by 25 by 4 inches, GLT M15 filters are designed for direct replacement of existing commercial kitchen exhaust filters. Upgrade your system for enhanced efficiency and cost savings.